It may be true that you have not achieved that which you imagined for yourself, but what's not true is that you have failed. You have come this far understanding who you are, and bit by bit you've begun to soar. You may not be where you want to be, but you sure as hell are not where you used to be. So you can choose to see the growth no matter how little it seems to be, or you can keep complaining and blaming, nailing yourself to the same pain and remaining chained. I hope you understand that you cannot drive away the darkness. You can only let the light in, regardless of how dark it may seem. All you really need is a little gleam. So you might as well begin to stop wishing the bad times away and instead shift your focus from that which causes you pain, so you can see clearly the rays of sunshine that will brighten your days. Because buried in the spaces between the many layers of pain that you may be faced with is an abundance of love just waiting to be noticed. You are either reaching towards it or turning away, but love always remains. So let go of your need to control things, to make them happen exactly as you dream. Just know that life always works out perfectly. If not now, then later. If not that, then something better. What you really need is some patience and blind faith, and mentally a clean slate. Cause you cannot create healing with the same mind that got you sick in the first place. So let go of the stories from your past that you've been holding on to so tightly, and allow yourself the pleasure of writing a new story for your future, knowing that although you cannot control the experiences which life hands out to you, you are always in control of how you choose to tell your story. So knowing that you're the author of the stories that run your life, and in fact you are, how would you like to tell the story? What words would you use? Would you still call yourself a failure because you did not achieve something that you wanted? Or would you say that you were only a student of life learning an important lesson?